Nisha Mohindra. I am a thoracic medical oncologist at Northwestern University and study co-chair for this trial. PrE0510 is a phase 2 dose optimization study of platinum etoposide plus Ivonescimab as first-line treatment for extensive stage small cell lung cancer. We know that chemo and immunotherapy are a current frontline strategy for extensive stage small cell lung cancer. There has been trials data as well as preclinical data suggesting that there may be some synergistic effects using anti-angiogenic agents with immunotherapy combined with chemo for this population. Ivonescimab is a bispecific antibody directed towards both PD-1 and VEGF, and it's designed for cooperative binding. The goal of this study is to combine Ivonescimab with chemotherapy and understand the optimal dose, both based on response as well as toxicity, so we can move that combination forward into a larger study. Key eligibility criteria for this study are patients with extensive stage small cell lung cancer, no prior systemic therapy, measurable disease, asymptomatic or treated and stable brain mets less than 1.5 centimeters, an ECOG performance status of 0 or 1, adequate organ function, and patients must not have had a history of bleeding tendencies or coagulopathy. So I think this study is an exciting study for small cell lung cancer patients. There's been a lot of advancement for small cell in the last several years, and there's an opportunity to continue to enhance our first-line space. Ivonescimab is an intriguing compound. I think there's some nice preclinical data that suggests that this combination could be beneficial for our small cell patients. And it builds upon a paradigm that we're already used to with chemo and immunotherapy for this patient population. So this study is a study I would consider for my patients with extensive stage small cell lung cancer. It's a treatment schedule that feels familiar for most of us with the chemotherapy backbone that we know. This trial does allow brain mets, which is an important thing to know about this study. Asymptomatic or treated brain mets, as long as they're less than 1.5 centimeters, are allowed. And I think thinking about these patients early and getting them on trial will be really helpful. I think this trial is important for small cell for a couple of reasons. One, it brings another novel agent into the frontline space. Small cell is having tremendous updates and new agents. And again, the opportunity to bring these agents earlier into the treatment paradigm is really important. Secondly, this study is really looking at optimizing dose. I think this is an important consideration that we're thinking with all of our new agents, and understanding dose optimization is important. What is the right dose with the ratio of response that you want, as well as the one that has, the least adverse events or side effects for patients. These are important things that we think about, especially as we bring things to the frontline space. And then this trial will eventually hopefully lead into a larger trial where we will be able to take this to a phase 3 and think about really comparing it to the standard of care. So I think it has a lot of merit as to why to think about this trial for your patients.